I welcome you all to this channel, and you know that I'm here to discuss some basic concept of organic chemistry. And basically, I'm starting a new chapter of alkanes where I will deal with each and every important topic of alkanes. So, first topic about alkane is naming of alkane, like nomenclature of alkane. So, you must firstly recognize and learn how to name any alkane, how to name any compound in front of you which is alkane in nature. Okay, so first of all you have to learn by heart all these, at least 10 names of these. So whenever there is only one carbon in any alkane, it is called methane. Methane, this ane word indicate that this is an alkane. So alkane will always have the suffix of ane. And whenever there are two carbons in any alkane, then it is called as ethane. Okay, when there are three carbons, like this situation, that CH3 CH2 CH3, this is called propane. When there are four carbon hydrocarbon, there it is called as butane. And when there are five carbons in any alkane, this is called pentane. Six carbon membered hydrocarbon is called hexane. Seven membered or seven carbon containing hydrocarbon is called heptane. Eight carbon containing hydrocarbon is called octane. However, they are all having single bonds. They are not having any double bond. They are very saturated compounds. Okay, so no single bond is present in alkanes. 9 carbon containing hydrocarbon is called, with single bond is called nonane, and 10 is called decane. So one thing is vitality or essential property of hydrocarbon, that is that they contain single bond. Alkane are single bond saturated hydrocarbons. They are not unsaturated, they only contain single bond. So first of all you have to name it. So this first of all, in naming you have to select this longest chain or the parent chain. Okay, the yellow highlighted line is the parent chain. I have given it the name of the basic chain. Okay, this basic chain has how many carbons? This basic chain is having 1 1 2 3 and 4 carbons. Okay, so the hydrocarbon having 4 carbon is called as butane. Remember, 4 carbon butane. Okay, then the remaining groups will be treated as substituent. Substituent is like something branch, or some branch or something is present in spite of the straight chain. This is CH3. So I just recently told you that one carbon containing is called methane, like, okay, but when the methane has one hydrogen less, because we have learned that CH4 is called methane, but here it is CH3, so it is not an alkane. This is now, CH3 is now an alkyl group, and this alkyl group is called methyl group. Okay, so from methane, alkyl group which is formed is called as methyl. From ethane, the alkyl group which will be formed having one hydrogen less than alkane is called ethyl. Okay, then propane having one hydrogen less than this propane is called as propyl. Then butyl, then pentyl, then hexyl, heptyl, octyl, nonyl, decyl. Okay, so they are the substituent. These are substituent, and in always substituent form, one hydrogen is always less than the parent alkane. Sahi, okay. So let's just come. The first rule of nomenclature is that select the longest chain. Select the chain which give the maximum number of carbon in a chain. So instead of going and selecting this, only this one, I am not selecting this. I am selecting from this to this to this to this and this, like some curve manner. However, it doesn't matter that how many curve you take, you have to select the chain which is longest. Okay, so this is giving maximum number of carbon as well as maximum number of substituent with it as well. Okay, so when you give number, you will, first of all, you will select the longest chain. You will make such kind of rows, and you will decide that which chain is having maximum number of carbon. Okay, so first of all, I selected the longest chain. Then I will go for substituents. Then I will see that how many substituents I can have. So here I can have this substituent, sorry, I can have this substituent like CH2, CH3, 1, CH3 is here. You better know this is called methyl and this is called what? Ethyl. Okay, you have to remember. And this is methyl, this is also methyl, this is also methyl. Okay, so just before going further, firstly I just select the longest chain, and then further I just decided that what kind of substituents are there. As I told you, this is methyl, this is methyl, this is methyl, and this is methyl. However, this is a bigger one, which is ethyl group. Okay, now it's about numbering. You have to give numbers. So we will start the numbering of alkane from the side from where the substituent, where this group will have lowest possible number. We will start from the end, from where the substituent is nearer. So from where can I start the numbering? From here, like 1 2 3? No, I will start from here, 1 2 3 here as well. But here is one substituent, however there are two substituents. Okay, so it's better to start numbering from the right side. So the correct is there is two situations that from where we can start numbering. In the first situation I have started numbering from this side, and in this second situation I started numbering from this end. So if I start numbering from the right corner, then the substituent are present at the position like 3 3 3 3. Like third position has two substituent, like 3 3 3 5 5 and 8. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Give the numbers. I gave the numbers, and then I just gave the numbers to each substituent as well, which is the third 3 3 5 5 8. However, if I start numbering from the left side, as I told you that I'm not going to start from this side. If I start numbering from this side, then I will be having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. Both are having same numbers, same carbon number, but the substituent are having higher number. How they are having higher number? Here look, the substituent are present 3 3 5 5 8. Okay, however in the situation, next situation where I started from left side, substituent are having number 3 6 6 8 8. So the substituent are having higher number rather than lower number. So we have to see that from where the substituent are nearer. So the option number 2 is incorrect because it is giving higher number to alkyl groups, and however the number 1 is correct because it is giving lower number to hydrocarbons. Okay, so the name would be 3-ethyl 3-5-5-8 tetramethyl decane. Okay, there are 4 methyl, as I told you now, 1 2 3 4 methyl group are present, so we will use the prefix tetra. If there are only 3 methyl group, then we would have used what? Tri. If there are only 2 methyl group, only these two are were present, then I would call as dimethyl. And if only this was present, then I would not use any prefix like ditri. No need. Okay, only one methyl is present. Okay, so the correct name of this gigantic, the big molecule would be 3-ethyl 3-5-5-8 tetramethyl decane. So I just summarized and collectively wrote the methyl name together by giving each carbon on which they are present. This is a way by which any alkane name can be written. And in the last you will give the parent name, that the parent name is decane having 10 carbon. Okay, this is an example. This is a structure. First of all, before going to further solution, just take a screenshot of it and just give it a name. Please sincerely do this. Take screenshot, solve it, pause the video. I hope you would have done this. So what name you can consider? Okay, first of all select the numbering from the side from where the substituent is nearer. Okay, first of all longest chain, first of all we have to see the what is the longest chain. Longest chain is starting from the left side, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, then I am having the substituent at position number third. Three position is having two groups, not only methyl in the above but the ethyl at the lower part, and the parent chain is hexane. So first of all I have to decide, it's having 6 carbons, so as I have given you the whole table that any alkane having 6 carbons is called as hexane. Okay, so this is hexane, and hexane is having two substituent, 3 ethyl 3 methyl. I gave 3 ethyl, or I have written ethyl before methyl. Why? I could have written 3 methyl 3 ethyl. I have written 3 ethyl because E comes before M in alphabetically. So you have to see alphabetically order as well, because you know ABC, right? A to Z, you know na. You have read it in the nursery class or Montessori na. So in 3 ethyl 3 methyl, and if there was any butyl group, then I would have written 3 butyl 3 ethyl etc, like that sort of. So ABC matters here too in chemistry too. So this is another example, a bigger one. So I would ask you to just pause the video and just solve it by yourself, because solving the problem is the key to success. Whenever you will practice more and more, you will get more and more good results. You will not understand by just learning with an example or with learning with a video. Do practice yourself. After this video you have to do loads of nomenclature of different hydrocarbons in order to understand more. Okay, hydrocarbons and alkanes and nomenclature is extremely interesting one, very interesting. Okay, I have already talked a lot. I think you would have given it name. The name is, first of all select the longest chain. Longest chain contain 9 carbons. 9 carbon containing alkane is called what? Called nonane. Very good, it's called nonane. And there are two substituent present at 2 and 7 position, like at the 7th position and at the 2nd position there are two methyl groups, so we will combine it, that would be 2,7 dimethyl. 6 propyl. Okay, this group is quite bigger one, and you must have said that what is it, this is having 3 carbons, this could be a longest chain part. No, this could not be a part of longest chain, this is a substituent and having 3 carbons, so I told you before that propyl word would be used. Okay, so this was all just the whole lecture about the nomenclature of alkanes. I would recommend loads of practice. Make your own hydrocarbons, make your own substituent, place propyl anywhere, place butyl anywhere, and create structure and just practice. Okay, so if you have any question, so just comment down, and please subscribe to the channel and give your friends the advice to subscribe and just learn as well. Okay, keep studying, keep working hard, stay safe and stay healthy as well. Thank you so much.